Becoming a thoughtful leader. The true path to riches. The reason, and your involvement and passion for taking any niche, is so important, is that, you are going to need to do some content marketing and brand building if you want to enjoy the very biggest success possible. As we have touched on, this is how you get to the point where you can select nearly any product and then sell hundreds of thousands of copies. But to get to this point, you need to consistently provide free value for your audience. This is because it is how you are going to build trust in your audience. It's how you're going to create fans, and it's how you're going to get to a point where your audience wants to come back to you time and time again to see what useful information you've put up. Again, the way you get to this point is by posting about a topic that you genuinely love and find interesting. And here's the bad news: you can't hire a writer. Sure, you can hire a writer, but doing that won't work. Why? Because, when you hire a writer, you hire someone who is very good at writing about something that they have no real interest in or passion for. It's better to hire a personal trainer to write about fitness and then fix the grammar. That's because the personal trainer might actually have something new and interesting to say on the topic. If you get some random writer who knows nothing about fitness to write about abs, then the best they can do is to write something they read elsewhere. This simply doesn't offer the reader anything new. It would not motivate them to come back. And it doesn't give the buyers any reason to believe that the book you're recommending can really change their fitness forever. Conversely, say something really new and really exciting, and they might just be interested in your recommendation. The other bad news? You need to keep doing this on multiple platforms. And you do this while having a consistent message, and a mission statement that sets you apart from the crowd. And a logo that tells people what you're all about and that people want to wear on t-shirts. That's how you build fans and not just followers. That's how you create a movement. And that's what all of those massively successful internet entrepreneurs standing in front of their jets did. In fact, that's what they're doing by standing in front of those jets. They're selling a vision and they're creating an army of followers who will buy any book they recommend. Of course, there is a moral consideration here. With great power and all that. But I'll save the preaching. It's up to you to make sure that you keep up your end of the bargain by providing real value. After all, that will ultimately lead to even more loyal fans and even more sales. So yeah, you had better be truly passionate about what you're selling if you really want to succeed. The sales funnel. Consider that in many cases, the sales part will actually be the outstop on our sales funnel, a T used to describe a series of interactions you have with a potential that will allow you to gradually call them to buy from you. The thing to remember here is that, most often people don't buy from strangers. Someone came up to you in the street and offered to you a product, you would always say, "Let me give you my phone number." In affiliate marketing, we can do these work by communicating with them instantly, and that might mean by giving away a free report or inviting them to an online seminar, might mean getting them to sign up in autoresponders marching or email. This is how you convert a cold lead into warm lead. They say that you should try and make or get in touche before attempting to sell. This way the lead will know and trust you well enough to consider spending money on your brand. In the world of affiliate marketing, usually you offer a free PDF ebook in exchange for signing up from here. You can chat with them directly. This would in turn helps to build rapport with people who are reluctant to give their authentic email addresses. That is the reason you will need an autoresponder to help you manage your email. As soon as you're done with creating that business familiarity, that means you have gotten lead that you are sure of marketing your sales to. Remember, you need to manage your leads. This would of course, over the time, boost your email marketing. This would give you the most profitable engagements with that marketing ability for you to sell in the most easiest process, via your emails, and to build hype for products before promoting them to your most receptive audience stable, not bothering the people who dearly aren't interested. You can do the same with a sequence referred to as AIDA. Opening your emails and who took action. That's 4 emails that first save your product, then make sound interesting, then make it sound amazing, while forcing the readers to wait before giving them the chance to buy. The other trick, selling something very affordable, is a lesser-known strategy. However, this is extremely effective because it allows you to demonstrate the value you're capable of delivering. Now let's dwell on selling physical products. Selling physical products. Finally, there is another option: selling physical products. At the start of this YouTube channel, in our previous video, we did mention that you could also sell physical items, and this had unique advantages and disadvantages versus selling physical products. The advantage is that physical products appeal to more people. People like buying physical products because they get something tangible in exchange for their money. More people also understand physical products. There are a lot of people like my granddad, who simply don't have any need for digital products. The downside of selling physical products is that physical products offer much smaller commissions. The biggest the platform of all is Amazon Associates. This platform has a lot of advantages. For instance, if someone follows one of your links to buy a product but ends up buying something else, then you still get the profit. Amazon Associates also provides a lot of useful buttons and tools you can use to make sales. But on the downside, Amazon Associates only offers somewhere in the region of 1 to 0% for their products. Most are at the lower end of that spectrum. Amazon also won't pay you in foreign currency unless it's by check. Don't even bother, and it has been well known to simply change its affiliate policies overnight with no warning. Is there money to be made here? Absolutely. Especially if you are selling products that are very expensive like computers, fitness equipment, or similar materials. But in order to get to this point, you really need to have a website that is attracting hundreds of thousands of views per day. This is the only way to build the kind of success that you need in order to make it big. Then you can write lots of blog posts around a range of different topics within your chosen niche. You'll then use your domain authority in order to quickly rise to the top of the search engines for each of those posts, and by including some affiliate links to physical products, you can potentially earn a lot of money. If you have 1,000 blog posts, each getting 10,000 hits a day, and selling a computer that earns you $50 per sale, you can potentially earn a fair amount of cash. Countless other options. That said, there are countless other options too. For example, you might choose to sell an online course. These are excellent affiliate schemes that offer a lower percentage than most digital products but will have better terms than Amazon. You can even find sites that will allow you to sell MBAs. This has the potential to earn you a huge amount of cash, and it's a great feeling to help people to better themselves by extending their learning. A great example of a niche with a real mission statement and value proposition. Remember too, that you can always try contacting manufacturers and brands personally, in order to discuss potential schemes. This way you can haggle for the best deal while representing a brand that you believe in and that fewer other people are offering. If you're already a big influencer, you'll likely find this is more successful than if you're a little-known nobody. There are other business models that are slightly different but tangential to affiliate marketing tactics. For example, you could look into dropshipping. This will let you sell products that will be stored and delivered by a third-party manufacturer, but that will be marketed and branded, though it was yours. You can find companies happy to do this on sites like Alibaba. This is the best business venture online. It's one of the best business models available for online entrepreneurs. I promise you. Scaling up. Whatever strategy you decide, eventually, you should be in a place where you have a funnel in place. That will mean that you have a blog or you are just posting on social media, and by doing that, you are getting more and more cold and warm links to your site. You're then collecting those emails, hitting them with a carefully crafted autoresponder sequence, and then sending them over to your site, where you are eventually converting them into buyers. It's a bit like a spider creating its web. All you need to do now is to increase the volume of traffic files so that more and more get more leads. One way to do this is to reinvest your profits into advertising if you have a system that works and a landing page that truly converts. Then there is no reason not to do this. As long as you pay less than you earn per visitor on average, then you can grow your traffic and keep increasing your profits. The other option? Repeat this whole process again and again, to cover different niches. The wonderful thing about affiliate marketing is that there is nothing to stop you from building as many revenue streams as you want. It's literally endlessly scalable. The question here though is whether you are going to set up a new website and a new brand, sell new products in a largely anonymous manner, or whether you're going to build on your success by promoting a second product from the same account. As mentioned, this latter option is the true way that you start to earn really big money. This is how you create an army of fans who will be excited to buy any product that you recommend. It's how you become an internet marketing guru and someone who is sought after by other product owners. The solution is simple. Go to any freelance writing company to do it for you in a more professional, perfect manner. Fiverr, Upwork etc. Thanks for staying with us. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and turn the notification bell so that you will duly be notified when we upload a new informative video for your success. Thanks. Hello, valued subscriber. Turn on the notification bell, so that when we upload a new video it will get to you first. May God bless you as you do so. Thanks. Kindly subscribe friends to encourage us. Please don't forget to like our videos, our YouTube channel. Please help us share the video, as much as possible, assist our growth please and please. Bravo, bravo, and bravo. May God bless you all.